In the previous video, we added a fade mode to the ATtiny13A, and honestly I didn't expect that, but we pushed it almost to its limits. The flash memory is practically full. So today it's time to upgrade. I will show you how to program the ATtiny85 and replace the ATtiny13A in our project. The ATtiny85 gives us 8 times more flash memory, which means more features, cleaner code, and much more room to grow without fighting every single byte. Let's switch to a more capable microcontroller and continue building this properly. First, let's go to the Tools, External Tools, and let's copy the command from the ATtiny13. This is the path to the avrdude.conf file. Copy this and add new external tool. Let's paste the line here. We can now change the name to the ATtiny85 or whatever you like to call it. And next, let's copy this line also and paste it here. But we have to change few things in this line. Let's go to the start of the line. First we have to change lfuse from 6A to 62, and we have to change hfuse from FF to DF. Next, let's go and change our MCU from ATtiny13 to T85. And let's change this from Arduino to STK500V1. And let's check use output window. Apply this and click OK. Now let's change the device in the Microchip Studio to the ATtiny85. Save this, close this window, and we have to change one thing in our code. This TIMSK, we have to delete the 0. You can build this. You can now connect your ATtiny85 to the Arduino exactly the same way as ATtiny13 was connected, and you can now upload the program to the ATtiny. And it's done. Now we can go to our device. Here is our device. First, let's remove the capacitor and ATtiny13. Now we can connect the ATtiny85 exactly the same way as the ATtiny13, pin to pin, no changes to the wiring. Once that's done, we put the capacitor back in place. We can power it up now. As you can see, everything works correctly. I will dim the lights a bit so you can see the effect more clearly. In the next video we will refine the fade mode. Right now it's a simple 2-phase fade, but we need 4-phase version for better control and more flexibility over the behavior.